10 English vocabulary words starting with the letter F from espressoenglish.net. Hi students! We've just started the month of February, and I realized that it's been a long time since I did an English vocabulary lesson with pictures. So in today's video, you're going to learn 10 vocabulary words, all starting with the letter F. In addition to learning what these words mean, you can also practice pronouncing them by repeating the words after me. Remember, you can learn a lot more vocabulary words inside my Vocabulary Builder courses. These courses have more than 1,000 useful and practical words, and I make them easy for you to learn and practice them. You can click on the link in the video or in the description to sign up for the Vocabulary Builder. Okay, here we go. 10 vocabulary words beginning with the letter F. Factory. A factory is a place that makes or manufactures products. It is usually large and full of machines. Feather. Birds have feathers covering their bodies. Fever. When your body temperature is elevated, you have a fever. Fireworks. Many countries set off colorful fireworks to celebrate holidays and events. Flip-flops. This specific style of sandals is known as flip-flops. Flood. A flood is when too much water enters a place where it is not supposed to be. Flood is the noun form. You could also say the street is flooded or the house is flooded. Foam. Foam refers to the bubbles often found on top of a drink or in the ocean. Forehead. The part of your head above your eyes but below your hair is called your forehead. Freckles. Freckles are a bunch of small dark spots that some people have on their faces. Frying pan. A frying pan is a flat pan used to cook things on top of the stove. That's just a small sampling of the many English words we have starting with F. Again, you can continue learning English vocabulary inside my Vocabulary Builder courses. The lessons in those courses include lots of pictures, so it's easy to learn the words. And they also have exercises to help you practice them. There are 2 levels of the Vocabulary Builder courses, and you can get a discount when you buy both levels together. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next lesson.